So we are doing Introduction to Digital Literacy Internet Basics, and this is a program funded through Miami Foundation, and we have our 2 instructors, which is...
Hi, my name is Allison. Hi, my name is Logan.
And my name is Miss S.E.E.K. All right.
What is the internet? The internet is something that lets computers talk to other computers in the world. These are some things that you can use to connect to the internet: a wireless router, a cable, and a smartphone.
My question is, what have you used the internet for in the past? And I've asked it like, hey Google, how do I get to 12063 Southwest 208 Terrace?
So she's using it for...
So I use it as like how to get places.
Yeah.
What do you want to use the internet for? And this is a good question for me because yes, because I want to start ordering airline tickets and hotels and stuff, but I'm always fearful because I think I'm going to go into the scammers somewhere out there, but I want to have more confidence.
Remember to always type the correct website.
With the class today, I learned a lot about the computer that I thought I knew, but I know since I come to class.
Top level domain is used for the government site. Boom, you got it.
What the site was, how to not get scammed.
Don't be a hater.
The kids did very good, very good. And I'm very glad I came to class. I learned a lot.